In this guitar video, we're doing song number 3 from our song challenge. This one, the Benny King song, Stand By Me. All right, so welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification. So this is our song challenge. And if you haven't already signed up for it, make sure to sign up for it. There's a link below for that. You get all the backing tracks, the sheet music, everything you need to know how to enter this challenge and have a chance to win the Call the Mini guitar that we're giving away also at the end. So this is Stand By Me. I've taken it from the key of A originally to the key of G. It's going to use the same chords that we've been working on, which is the G chord, the C chord, and the D chord. So nothing new there, but we're going to add the E minor chord. Now this is one of my favorite types of songs because it's the same for the intro, for the verse, for the chorus. It never actually changes. The whole strum pattern, the chords, everything is exactly the same for the whole song. And I love that. 4-chord song, just absolutely magical. All right, we are going to be using the granddaddy strum for this one, all right? So it's going to be, it's pretty simple. Let's go over the form here. So you're just going to do the G chord 2 times, 3, 4, so G. So it's 2 measures to the E minor chord now, same strum pattern, 1. Now we're going to go to the C chord. Did you notice, so we're only playing that 1 measure there for the C chord and then to the D chord. Also 1 measure of the D chord, and then we go back to G, but this is at the G at the end, all right? And then 2 more measures of G. Now this strum pattern, this granddaddy, is such an important strum pattern, so really take your time and get this down. All right, let's try it real nice and slow, and then we're going to add the vocals, and at the end, we're going to play with the backing track. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. 3, 4. Now the E minor for 2 measures. Now C, once, D, and then G. And that's it. That's what I love about songs like this. They're just so easy to remember, and they're really easy to jam on. Like if you just meet someone, you know, and they have a guitar, you have a guitar, you can just jam. You can show them these chords, and you're off and running and doing this. All right. Now the melody here, and don't forget, if you like what we're doing here with the song challenge, rocklikethepros.com. Uke Like the Pros is my ukulele channel, but rocklikethepros.com. And we do courses up there. We have a weekly Q&A that you can also sign up for, which you are going to get access to just for this song challenge. But anyway, great stuff up there, especially if you're ready to take your guitar playing, you know, become the player that you want to become. All right, so check that out, Rock Like the Pros. All right, the melody here, that's our beginning. When the night, which is B, that's a third of the G chord. D, when the night has come, the land is dark, the moon is the only light we'll see. All right, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do the intro. We're gonna do, it's like a verse, or it's almost like 2 verses, and then we're gonna hit the chorus, and we'll be done, and we'll just end right on the G chord there. So, are you ready? Let's add the backing track, and let's do Stand By Me. 1, 2, 3, and... When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. right, so there you go. That was the fast backing track, which is just the normal tempo of the song. If you it was a little fast for you, there is a slow backing track as well. But don't forget, you have to sign up for this challenge. We'll put a link of that below. Come join us. Just for the fun of it, we're going to do weekly videos like this and also live videos for this challenge. So sign up below. Come be a part of this. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.